So question 28. If the tangents on the ellipse 4x square plus y square equals to 8 at the point 1, 2 and AB are perpendicular to each other, then a square is equal to, then we have to find the a square value. So let's see the solution. So the solution is, as we have given the equation of ellipse, that is 4x square plus y square equals to 8, or we can write it as 4 a square plus b square equals to 8. But we have to find here dy by dx at x1, at x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. We have to find dy by dx. We will get the value minus 4x by y. So the tangents at 1, 2 and AB are perpendicular. So this is the equation, right? Or we can write it as minus 4a by b equals to 1 by 2. So we'll get here, from here we'll get the value of b, that is minus 8a. This one, first equation, we'll get the value of b equals to minus 8a. So as AB is on the ellipse 4a square plus b square equals to 8, then after squaring both sides we'll get the value of b square, that is 64 a square. Now we have to put this equation in first equation, not first but this one, 4a square plus b square equals to 8 equation, this one. After putting the value of b, we'll get the a square, that is 2 by 70. We have already calculated here, so our option is A.